I'm going to show you in this video now how to program the old style Hormann remotes for your garage doors. Now, as you can see, there are a few different versions. There's this type which you can use in your cigarette lighter in your car, and then there are a few different versions that have been used that use different colour buttons and different sizes. Now, the main thing with the programming is to make sure that the colour of your buttons match. So here we've got a green button version, there's a grey button version there, and a blue button version. These are all blue. You need to make sure when you're programming that the two remotes that you're programming have got the same colour buttons, because they won't work if not, because they're on different frequencies. So I'm going to show you now using two blue button type remotes, which are the new HSE2s. So to program these, the remote in my right hand is an existing working remote, and the remote in my left hand is a new remote that I'd like to program. Now, to do the programming, generally it works best if you put the remote side by side. Then what you do is, on the existing working remote, press and hold in the button that you normally use to operate the door that you're wanting to copy. So I'm holding in the bottom button, you can see the LED comes on. Now on the new remote, press and hold in the same button on the new remote, and as you can see, the LED starts to flash. Then it does a fast flash and goes off. Just give it a couple of seconds, let go, and that's programming complete on those. Now, we do find that sometimes if you're trying to copy from the old style remotes like this to a new style smaller one, the best place to hold the remotes is generally if you put the small remote in this position and then try the copy in there. So I'm going to press the bottom button on that version, the bottom button on there. As you can see, it's copying. So if it doesn't work in those positions, try it in a couple of different positions. This position sometimes works like this, or even sometimes this position. What you find is the old bigger remotes sometimes get weaker and you can struggle to pick up the signal. It's a good idea sometimes to put a new battery in the old remote, but try it in different positions like this to do the copying. If the new remote's going to flash, it'll do it immediately, and once you've got it to flash, let it go through its sequence. That's your programming complete.